Well, I'm almost back at the house. I got a couple of blocks to go to get there, but I just happened to stop here in this nice shaded tree here because I did a lot of walking today, and I'm kind of bummed out about the drone, but I'll get over it. Couple of weeks I'll have another one. I'll have it repaired. Anyway, since I'm not gonna have my drone, I was planning on doing a camping trip this week. Along the middle of the week I was gonna go to the campsite, put my tent up and do a video there. But without the drone, just that won't be the same, you know. Without aerial pictures, you know, it's not as good. So I stopped at my storage spot and grabbed up this bread and stuff here. This stuff is still good because I kept it in the cooler, but it won't last, you know, another 2 weeks or 3 weeks or however long it's gonna be before I get to go camping somewhere. So I figured I'd sit here and relax and feed this stuff to the birds. Birds around here are pretty thick and they're used to being fed. Wow, that was a big fish jumped out of the water over there. I don't know if I caught it or not, but right over across the way there, maybe you can still see the ripples where he came up. Oh, look at that right there. Fish just did that. Anyway, some big fish in there. I'm not really into fishing, but so somebody that is, they would love it. I'm gonna throw these bread out here. These birds are always on the alert. They'll probably see me throw this stuff out here and come swooping in. If they don't, then it'll be there when they come flying around here. For whatever reason they'll fly around for, they'll see it and they'll have them a free meal. Yeah, I hate to see food go to waste when something could have ate it. You know, I really hate that. But anyway, I don't know if any of them saw me throw it out there because I am kind of isolated under this tree here. But birds got really good eyesight. If they notice me over here and they see me throwing stuff out, they'll come and investigate. If nothing else, to see what it was I threw out there. But this is quite a bit of bread here, and I want to make sure that it don't go to waste. But anyway, yeah, I hate that happened to my drone. I really do. But what are you gonna do? Yeah. What are you gonna do? Good thing about the drone is if I had it with me here, I lure all these birds in and I can get some pretty good shots of birds in slow motion. But that's not gonna happen today. It really pains me to throw that bread away because that was the good stuff there. That was that onion bread there. That stuff is delicious on hamburgers or hot dogs, sandwiches, any kind of thing that you eat and whatever. It's some really good bread. But the birds will get to enjoy it. I won't, but they will. Yeah, that's cool. It's cool. There we go. Whoa. Made a frisbee out of that one. And a couple more. There's more. Almost gone. There's another one. There's two. There we go. Oh well, thanks for watching me throw bread out. I'm pretty sure you didn't tune in for that. But that's all I got for right now. Anyway, I'm gonna go on back to the house, and I got some stuff to do today, and prepare myself for work tomorrow, which I'm looking forward to, because I kind of like the job that I'm on now, and the people I'm working with are good. Yarning. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.